Welcome back to this video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to simply lock your SIM card on Android phone. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial on how best to use Android phone. So with that being said, let's get started. All right, so the very first thing you need to do is to head over to your phone settings. So I'm going to simply click on here to open up my phone settings. Having opened up your phone setting, next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down, and then you have to navigate to security right here. Then take you to this particular page. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on set up SIM card lock. Then take you to this particular page. Then choose the SIM card you want to lock. So for me to do that, I'm going to simply click on here. Then at this point here, enter the PIN. You can add 4-digit PIN to lock the SIM. Once you are satisfied with the PIN, and make sure the PIN is something you can easily remember at any point in time. Once you enter the PIN, simply click on OK right here, and with that, your SIM card is going to be locked in the phone. Even if you lost your phone, nobody will be able to use your SIM card, even if they insert it into another phone. So basically, this is how best to protect your SIM card with a password or PIN code. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial about how best to use Android phone. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.